Your 20s, the decade they tell you to play it safe, follow the rules, and climb the corporate ladder rung by rung. The decade of ramen noodles, crushing student debt, and soul-sucking entry-level jobs. You know, the pay your dues years, right? Wrong. What if I told you your 20s are actually the prime time to set the foundation for a life of wealth, abundance, and financial freedom? A life where you're not just scraping by, but thriving. A life where you call the shots, live on your terms, and make a real impact on the world. Yeah, you heard me right. Your 20s are the decade of the millionaire mindset. You ever wonder why so many of the world's most successful entrepreneurs, innovators, and wealth creators made their fortunes in their 20s? Mark Zuckerberg, Steve Jobs, Elon Musk, Jeff Bezos. The list goes on and on. It's not a coincidence. It's not just dumb luck. It's science. It's about seizing the unique opportunities and advantages that your 20s offer. Opportunities that dwindle with each passing year. First, time is your greatest ally. Einstein called compound interest the eighth wonder of the world, and he wasn't exaggerating. Even small investments made in your 20s can snowball into massive wealth over time, thanks to the exponential power of compound growth. It's like planting a seed that grows into a mighty oak tree while you sleep. The sooner you start, the taller that tree will grow. Second, you're a powerhouse of energy and focus. You can pull all-nighters, hustle side gigs, and outwork anyone who dares to stand in your way. Your mind is sharp, your body is resilient, and your drive is unstoppable. You're like a finely tuned race car, ready to leave the competition in the dust. Don't waste this precious fuel on distractions and procrastination. Use it to build your empire. Third, you're adaptable as heck. Life throws curveballs, businesses fail, markets crash. But you, my friend, are a master of reinvention. You can bounce back from setbacks faster than a rubber ball, learning and growing with every failure. In your 20s, your ego is less fragile, your fear of failure is lower, and your willingness to experiment is higher. This is your time to take risks, try new things, and discover your true potential. Fourth, your 20s are a networking goldmine. College campuses, internships, early jobs. These are all fertile grounds for building relationships with future power players, mentors, and collaborators. The connections you make now can open doors, create opportunities, and accelerate your journey to success. Don't underestimate the power of your network. It's not just who you know, it's who knows you. Fifth, you're a risk-taking machine. You're not afraid to bet on yourself, to make bold moves that others might shy away from. You understand that the biggest risk is not taking any risk at all. In your 20s, you have the freedom to experiment, to fail fast, and to learn from your mistakes. This is your time to swing for the fences, to chase your wildest dreams, and to create a life that truly lights you on fire. This is your decade. The decade you rewrite the rules, defy the odds, and build the life you were born to live. The decade you stop dreaming and start doing. The decade you say yes to adventure, yes to growth, and yes to financial freedom. The decade you become unstoppable. If you're ready to rewrite the script in your 20s, to stop settling for mediocrity and start chasing greatness, then hit that subscribe button now. Join the GrowRich family and become part of a movement that's empowering people to take control of their financial destiny. And if this video lit a fire in your soul, if it ignited a hunger for more, then smash that like button and let me know in the comments what your biggest financial goal is for this year. Let's chase those dreams together, because on GrowRich, we don't just talk about wealth, we create it.